Guys, this is crazy. These haven't been opened in 20 years, 25 years. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy Bionicle Day. As you guys know, today is Sunday, August 10th, and today is Bionicle Day. So I thought that for Bionicle Day, I would do a super fun unboxing of some really interesting products that I'm very excited to show you guys. So if you're excited to find out what I got for my Bionicle Day unboxing, keep on watching. Guys, I'm super excited. Are you ready? Green bubble wrap. Ooh. I got 2 Bionicle mask packs. Here is my Bionicle Day haul. I got a 2001 sealed Kanohi and Krana mask pack and a sealed 2003 Kanohi Nuva and Krana mask pack. I spent a lot of money on this, first of all. So please like this video. Put a comment down below. What masks are you expecting I'm going to get? I'm hoping that I'll get 4 Kanohi that I do not have in my collection. That's really all I'm worried about. My hopes aren't super wild for this video. I'm just hoping that I don't get any original colored masks, so the masks that would have come with the original Toa set. And I'm also hoping that I don't get masks that I already have in my collection. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with my 2001 Krana and Kanohi mask pack. I'm going to be gentle opening these because I kind of want to frame the boxes. Guys, this is crazy. These haven't been opened in 20 years, 25 years. Okay, y'all, let's do it. This truly feels illegal. Like, I don't feel like I should be doing this. Okay, guys, are you ready? I'm excited. Okay, great start already. This is exciting. Oh, that's funny. I thought these ones came with Krana, but they do not. I got a dark gray Noble Kanohi Mahiki, which is just beautiful. I think I scratched it with the knife. That's okay. Wow. That's so cute. I love it. I love it. No, I actually do. And a beautiful brown Pakari. Awesome. And 2 black 3-length axles, a gray face, and a neon pink eye stalk. That's exciting. This is exactly what I wanted. Just masks that I don't already have in my collection. Perfect. Okay, so that's my 2001 box. Put her to the side. And now we're going to start on my 2003 box, which does come with Krana. These ones come with Krana, the old ones don't. Okay, let's get started on my 2003 box. A little more gently this time. I don't know if I'm the one who dinged the Mahiki in there, but just want to be careful that I don't do that again. This one's already opening a lot easier because I know the layout of the box. Okay, it's open. Guys, I don't know how much these originally retailed for in the 2000s. Probably like $4, but I spent a lot of money on these. So please, like I said, please, if you like this video, if you're excited, if you want to put your predictions for what I'm getting in this Nuva box, comment down below. Please give me a subscribe. Please give me a like. It would really help me out a lot and make me feel good. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. I'm not going to look. You guys can see, but I can't. Okay. Ooh, a white Cow Nuva. That is beautiful. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. Look at her. That's so gorgeous. Put her up to the side. What's our next one, guys? Feels like a Kakama or a Miru. Ooh, a black Miru Nuva. That looks super cool. Oh, dropped it. Wow. Black and white. That's interesting. And let's see what Krana I got. Okay, I got this Krana. I don't know what the name is. I already have this one. I got this black one. I don't think I already have this one. And I got this blue one. That's so fun. Are you kidding me? Look how gorgeous. And I got my wish. Okay, guys, let's put them all out so we can see what I got, and then we'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is my Bionicle mask pack haul, all complete. I got a dark gray Noble Kanohi Mahiki, a brown Pakari, a light gray Mata face with neon pink eyes and 2 black axles. Then I got a Kanohi Miru Nuva in black, a Kanohi Cow Cow Nuva in white, and then 3 Krana. I got a black Krana Yo, an orange Krana Su, and a blue Krana Ka. This is a very exciting video for me. I'm very happy with my little haul that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching my Bionicle Day haul. Happy Bionicle Day to everybody, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, y'all.